Hair color. SA to B.
Karon ngita kog parlor para mag-color sa kuang buhok, no? Kaya ko siya ipa-blonde. So, ako ang outfit is naka-bikini na daan kay after color diretso na mi sa dagat. Okay, so let's go. So beautiful here. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we stay here in Limbungan 13 days. And then when we come back in Sanur, then come back to Australia. How long in Sanur? Thank you. Okay, photo. Go, photo. Sageria. Sige, do it again. Okay. Good here. Wow. Next time you color your hair like this. Yeah.